Oh shit! Tangina. Really? Grabe. Teka lang. Wait lang. Picture na kita for the GC. Andun. Hello and welcome to a new video, guys, here at Fitment Engineering. As the title might suggest, yes, we are building our dream car in Japan. We're building a car in Japan, and we have a car in Japan to build. But we're still in the Philippines as I am actually taking this video. Welcome. We are here at the shop. Tomorrow's my flight to Japan, and we have MJ's C4S, and we're going to measure the 993 twist to his 997. All right. Anyway, so I don't know what I was saying a while ago, but ang dami kong kausap sa phone. We have MJ's C4S. Thank you for letting us measure the car. This is a wider body. So if you notice, I don't know if the camera will do it justice. An all-wheel drive 911 997 is actually wider than a narrow body like this. This is a narrow body rear-wheel drive car. So the car in Japan is not gonna get an RWB yet. So what will happen is we're going to just do a stock body, and then stock body, not RWB, air suspension build. So this is narrower, and this is wider, and the turbo is the same body as the C4S. So we're gonna put it there and measure the car for multi-piece. All right, bear in mind that my flight's tomorrow, and we're all doing this a few hours before our flight, because we want to do everything in one fell swoop. Once we dial in everything here locally, we don't have to send out the wheels in Japan. Yun yung reason why ginagawa namin to. And if you guys watch the video ng ating turbo twist cutting video, that's what we're gonna fit right now, bros. Okay, let's do that now first. Sumagad na. Let me see. Okay. Alright. Turbo body, all-wheel drive, 4S. Thank you, MJ. Maraming salamat sa tulong. It's gonna be wild. Okay, sukatan natin. Patong tayong barrels. Sige nga, dyan. Mula dyan. Thanks, MJ. RWB Yutaka owner. RWB owner din soon. Okay, we'll discuss the measurements later. Just like that, we're back in the Japan. Big thanks nga pala kay MJ. Salamat ako kay MJ for letting us borrow his Carrera 4S to measure the 993 turbo twist. The fitment was actually very important kasi I don't have a wide body stock Carrera S. So MJ, thank you so much for the pictures. I'll be posting it on the screen right now. So the fitment was great naman. It was really good. 2.5 inch sa likod, hoping for a 1.5 inch sa harap. The boys will be doing the measurement on the front. And on this trip, we are going with a few friends. Anton and Kevin actually took Cebu Pacific, so we're gonna try to rendezvous with them. And then we'll see later. Scratch check, Anton. Boss Anton, welcome to Japan. Check mo kung may mga gas-gas. So Anton is here. Bakit? Nagkamalan dito?
I don't know.
We're gonna check some cars in Japan, bro. Sponsored by Boss Kevin. Thank you so much, Boss Kevin, for your generosity. Small bugs lang.
Sponsored di Kev? Sana nga.
Yeah. Sponsored pala ni Anton and Kevin. So my partners are here. Not only we are going to showcase Fitment Engineering in Japan, actually, we're actually also going to showcase Nozomi International. Boss Kevin, how are you? Okay, thank you for sponsoring half of the car. So we brought them here para ma-showcase yung Nozomi. We're gonna take a video of our venture later, but for now, let's actually just pack up and ready to go. Table? It will come in handy later, Anton. Come on. So, thank you sa mga sponsor ko. Anton, salamat sa pag-sponsor ng kalahati, ha? So, we're going to Malusaka again. We're gonna introduce, well, not really introduce. We're gonna show Kevin and Anton yung mismong establishment ni Lucas. If you watched the video last time, people already saw it here, but they have not seen it personally. Ano, Anton? Kati ka na?
Ha?
Ano? Ano tayo dyan? Oh, kumain ka na! Okay, let's go. Let's get our car as well. Drive muna kami. So, nag-guess na ni Anton kung bakit gusto kong lumipat sa Japan. We're nearing Malusaka. Such a pleasure to drive here again. This fucking crown. Oh yeah.
Tama yung matubad.
Asan? Ano yun? Kevin. Wait lang. Dead. So, such a pleasure to drive in Japan, man. Sarap. This Toyota Crown crossover, Crown crossover. Sarap i-drive. Sana may ito sa Pilipinas.
Such a good car.
Let's go, Malusaka. Kevin, wake up. We're here. Oh shit! Tangina! Holy fuck! Gago to ng pogi. Oh shit! It looks good in person. Janae, this is her seat. It's gonna be her seat.
I'm gonna take it out so the fucking roll bar is.
Soon, a few years from now, huh? Damn, it's clean. Anton, start the car for me. Tapos top down mo, Brad. Go.
Smells like the RV.
Really?
Yeah.
Grabe. Teka lang. Wait lang. Picture na kita for the GC. Anton. Ah, looks good, bro. Tuwa siya. Janae, looks good. Looks good.
I'm not a big fan of these seats.
It looks beautiful, bro.
Yeah, but I mean, I really like the red leather though. So
Yeah. The leather's not that bad,
even
huh?
I will not replace it.
This is actually pretty good leather. There's some scratches here because of luggage siguro as well.
I think we need to start ordering the LCDs.
LCDs of what? Oh yeah. This one has a problem na rin?
No, this doesn't have a problem. That's a problem, dude. That's a big problem.
Hey, mine has a small problem. ETC Kado. Good.
Nice. Where do we go now?
Sarap Janae. This is it.
Ba't pa iikot?
Hindi na ako iikot.
Dapat siguro na sa likod.
Sarap. This is it. Japanese dream. Pakasarap ng convertible. This is it. Jesus Christ. Sorry for the words, pero wala, this is it. I wanted to get away from them. Because I want the time alone with the car. And with you as well. This is it, boys. We're in Japan. We're driving a car, brothers. Our car, not a car. It's our car. Today, we did it. We did it, guys. Ah, man. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I'm tired. Wala pa akong tulog and everything. But there's something noisy on the left side. My suspension brain is working right now. God damn, this car is beautiful. Beautiful car. Thank you, Lucas. Thank you to everyone. Bart. Jeez, what a beautiful car. Anton Valenton on the helm. Masigip.
Come on.
Oh, the chassis creaking kasi cabriolo, you know?
Wait, my bag.
Yeah, go get your bag.
My bag.
Sa left tayo, sa right tayo. Tingin ka muna sa kanan and sa kaliwa. Go. Has power, huh? Tulid ba?
Tulad siya.
Doesn't have to be fast transmission kasi we're just gonna cruise with the car, right? Bagay sa'yo, Brad. Diyan, okay ka lang?
Saan tayo mag-body on ka?
Doon sa may stoplight sa dulo. May parang amoy patay dito sa likod. Amoy patay na daga or amoy patay na... Sorry, natunog yung...
Ay!
Shit, may power nga, no? Tahimik lang, no?
It's an IPA.
Yeah, needs an IPE. Pero di na, okay na. Pag Tiptronic, ayoko mag, loud exhaust. Pangit kasi mag-shift pag naka-Tiptronic, eh.
Kala ko ba mag-ganyan ako?
Tanaw mo.
Baliktad nga pala dito.
Right, Janae, how's the first impressions? Good? Ine. She's beautiful. Just need a name. We're going to Mito now and check into the hotel. Anton is in the backside with Kevin with the Toyota Crown. And damn, what the fuck's happening, dude? It's crazy. For now, ready na tayo. Can I take pictures of the turtle? This guy learned his fucking crafts and shit 2 centuries ago. Right, so Mogi-san will actually do the change oil for the 997 Turbo Cabriolet. So Lucas is actually, he asked Mogi-san to do it for us real quick because, you know, the car hasn't been changed oil in a while. Like, we don't trust the auction's history on it. So thank you, Mogi-san. We're gonna time lapse and do it, okay?